Hey focus!
A few days ago in our Telegram
Heard
thoughts,
Samsung is seriously considering releasing new smartwatches with a square screen. Now, new rumors reveal more about the Galaxy Watch 7 series. If true, big surprises await us. In the Galaxy from 7, we'll have 3 options and a chip: Exynos W940 with 50% greater energy efficiency. Activity. According to the source, the Galaxy Watch 7 will be available in 3 options: Classic, Pro and another. New version of smartwatches may have a more square screen design that we've reported on. If this information is accurate, it will be a first for Samsung. We'll release 3 versions of Galaxium Watch. Another rumor claims the Exynos W940 chip expected in the Galaxy Watch 7 series will be 50% more energy efficient than Exynos W930 used in the Galaxy Note 6. Moreover, the upcoming Exynos chip for wearable devices will be 30% faster than the previous model. This gives Galaxy Watch 7 the much needed boost to compete with devices like OnePlus, Plus Watch 2, Pixel Watch 2 and Xiaomi Watch 2, which use the 4nm Snapdragon Y chip from Qualcomm. Previously, it was reported that the Exynos W940 will be Samsung's first chip using Samsung's 3nm technology process. Foundries, if this is indeed the case, the statement that it is 50% more energy efficient and 30% more efficient, I would even say is incorrect. I would even say it's an incorrect statement. 30% faster is quite possible, but approach this info with the usual skepticism. Moreover, we know that Samsung is preparing to launch its first Galaxy S6 smart ring. At the moment, the company has introduced only limited information about the device has been provided, stating that it will be released later this year. Once the product eventually hits the market, there's bound to be a good demand for it. At least Samsung believes so. Awaits. It is reported that the company is preparing for sale almost 500,000 units Galaxy Ring. A report from South Korea claims that the Galaxy Ring will go into mass production in May of 2024 and the device will be unveiled alongside new foldable phones. In July of this year, it is expected that the Galaxy Ring will be available for sale in August 2024, and at the time of launch, $400,000 will be available. Units. The report also adds that Samsung has good opportunities for quickly increasing production if demand and reach exceed the initial offer. The small form factor of the ring and the fact that all its components are readily available. Available means Samsung can easily increase production. This projected figure shows that Samsung quite sure there will be high demand for the product when it hits the market later this year. Ouch, cancer! The current market leader in smart rings sells about 1 million devices throughout the year, so Samsung clearly expects to meet half of this indicator, if not more. Its cold came, beat off and didn't choke. Samsung could indeed benefit from its incredible brand value and the fact that hundreds of millions of Galaxy device owners worldwide could benefit from this new product. Samsung and the Samsung ecosystem, the company will definitely trust. This is exactly what Samsung is aiming for with its ecosystem, its existing base of loyal users, because the company clearly intends to establish its dominance in the smart sector. Rings, especially since Apple hasn't released theirs yet, so there's time to ramp up. Is taking its share. Well, what do you folks think? Will it be interesting to test, maybe get a Galaxy Ring for daily use? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. As usual, see you very soon in the next video.